In a small town in India, there lived two best friends, Raju and Meena. They loved playing games, solving puzzles, and exploring old places. One day, while helping their school decorate for Independence Day, they found an old wooden box hidden in the school storeroom. On the top, it had the words, "To be opened only on August 15th. Curious, they ran to their principal, Mr. Sharma. He smiled mysteriously and said, "Children, this box has been in our school for many years. No one knows exactly what's inside, but it was left here by a freedom fighter who once studied in this school." Raju and Meena's eyes sparkled. "A freedom fighter? Like Mahatma Gandhi or Bhagat Singh?" Mr. Sharma nodded. "Not so famous, but just as brave. His name was Arjun Lal, and he fought for our freedom before 1947. He left this box here for the children of the future." The next morning, on Independence Day, all the students gathered in the school ground. After the flag hoisting, the principal called Raju and Meena to the stage to open the box. Inside, they found a small tricolor flag made of cloth, a letter written in beautiful handwriting, a few old coins, and a notebook. The letter read, "Dear children of free India, if you are reading this, it means my dream has come true. India is free." This flag reminds you of the struggles we faced. These coins are from the time before independence, so you remember our history. And this notebook is for you to write your dreams for India's future. Keep our freedom safe by being honest, kind, and brave. Arjun Lal. The whole school clapped, and Raju whispered to Meena, "We will fill this notebook with ideas to make India better." That day, every student wrote one promise in the notebook. Promises to study well, help others, keep the environment clean, and respect the country. And so, the secret box of August 15th became a tradition in their school, opened every year to remind everyone that freedom is a gift we must protect. Moral: freedom is not just about the past, it's about building a better future.